Hi children, good morning children. You are fine? Yes, you all are fine and safe. And in the previous class, I said you people to prepare for ST. Yes, I said you to prepare for ST from the first lesson from question number 1 to 11. Yes children, have you prepared? Yes, we will write our ST. Copy the questions children in your 4-ruled book. One new 4-ruled book. Yes, and the first bit is fill in the blanks. Dash animal lay eggs. Dash animal give birth to babies. Young ones of some animals hatch out of dash. Calves grow inside the mother cow for about dash. Young one of hen dash. Yes, fill in the blanks. And the true or false. Human babies do not drink milk. Is it true or false? You should write here. True or false children? A hen feeds its young ones with milk dash. Okay? And the next one, the third bit. Write any two animals that lay eggs and birth to young ones. In the box you have to draw like this and you have to write the which lay eggs and young ones. You have to write two animal names. Okay children? Yes? Children, first bit fill in the blanks. Dash animal lay eggs. Dash animal give birth to babies. Young ones of some animals hatch out of dash. Calves grow inside the mother cow for about dash. Young one of a hen dash. This one are the fill in the blanks and the next one true or false. Human babies do not drink milk. Is it true or false? You have to write here. A hen feeds its young ones with milk. You have to write here true or false. And then the third one. Write any two animals that lay eggs and give birth to young ones. You have to draw and you have to write two animal names here. Okay? Okay children. Here see. See here children, the fill in the blanks. There is any twist in this? Yes, it is a twist in this. Yes, as it is the MCQ are there, no? I didn't give directly the questions. I have changed them into the fill in the blanks. See, be careful and write the ST. Okay children? Children, yes, we have finished our first lesson, the ST, one ST, and the next ST I am going to conduct in the next class. Okay, and I am going to start today. We are going to learn about the second lesson, the lesson number 2, and it is the digestive system. It is the digestive system. Yes, in the morning daily your mother is giving the breakfast. You are eating within 2 minutes. Yes, within 2 minutes are eating very nicely, or what your mother is telling? Don't eat so fast. And she is telling that to chew the food. What she is telling? To chew the food. Yes, chew and swallow properly. Yes, your mother is telling like that. And do you know why? Yes, we do a lot of work. We do a lot of work in the daily throughout the day. And we want the energy. You want to play and you are doing all the works, no, to children from throughout the day, from morning to evening. You want some energy to do that work. Yes, from where do we get this? From the tree, like a vegetables, like a fruits we are bringing from the market? No, we are. Yes, this energy comes from the food we eat. The food we eat, from that we are getting the energy. Okay children? The food contains proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Yes children? The food daily which you are eating, it contains what? The fats, the proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Our body cannot observe them directly. It cannot observe them directly, our body. Okay? And yes children, the broken down, the smaller parts, the process which we are going to eat the food, that food is breaking down into a food which is breaking down into small parts that can be observed into the bloodstream is called the digestion. The organ system in our body, that helps in breaking down the food is called digestive system. The organ system, children, the organ system which is going, we are in the digestive system. Okay, okay children. When the food is broken down, we get the energy to do many things. The food is broken down and it is digested, and then we get the energy to do our things. Yes, look at the picture children. Okay. Here. Okay, the food which you are going to eat is directly going into the stomach and it is digesting. No, the process is there. That is called the digestive system. From where we are starting? Okay, from the mouth. We put food into our mouth. Digestion starts here with the help of our teeth and tongue. From the mouth. Here, yes, the food digested, the digestion is starting here. Where? From the mouth. We put the food into our mouth. Digestion starts here. The help of the teeth and tongue. Teeth and tongue. What you are doing? We are chewing the food and we are swallowing it. Okay? Food pipe. Here, see the picture children here, food pipe. Food pipe. Yes? Food pipe. And it is a long tube that connects the mouth with the stomach. It is a long pipe which is connected to the stomach from the mouth. Okay. Food pipe, it is a long pipe. Which is connected to mouth to the with the stomach. Yes children, it is liver. It is a large and the heaviest organ in the body. It is a very large and it is heavy organ in the body, and it is reddish brown color. The stomach is a stretchy bag like organ which the stomach is empty. When the stomach is empty, it is about the size of tennis ball. When the stomach is empty, it is the size of tennis ball. Tennis ball means it's a small one. Yes. After a big meal, it expands almost to the size of football. After the meal, it expands to the size of the football. Yes. Tennis ball, football. Before the meal and after the meal. Small intestine. It is a long narrow tube. It is 22 feet long. It is a narrow tube like it is. Okay. And its feet is how long it is? It is 22 feet. Okay children? Yes. And okay children? And the next one is large intestine. Here large intestine. See here children in the picture. And the large intestine is also like a tube. It is 5 feet long. It is called the large intestine because it is wider than the small intestine. It is wider means it is little bit more big. Okay, and it is 5 feet long. Okay children. See here children, it is anus. It is the opening at the end of the digestive system. It is the opening, the end of the digestive system. What is the waste? It will come out. Yes children? Yes? Understood now? Yes children. The digestion starts in the mouth. It starts in the mouth. We chew the food with our teeth. And we have the different types of teeth to chew the food and break into pieces. How? The front teeth help us to, they are very sharp. It helps us to bite it. It helps us to bite the food into smaller pieces. And the back teeth are flat and help to grind and food into a paste. Have you seen how your mother will take, if she want to do anything paste? For example, the groundnuts are there. Your mother want to make it a paste. How she will use? What she will use? She will use a mixie, or you will tell that as grinder. Yes, she will use it, and with the help of the current, she will make it a paste. Yes, in the same way, our this thing also is working, our digestive system. Saliva makes with the food. Mix with the food. Saliva is produced inside our mouth. It is inside our mouth. It mixes with the food and makes the food soft and wet. Soft and wet. The saliva, the juice, means it is produced in the mouth. It is produced in the mouth. Teeth can now easily break down the wet food into smaller pieces. The saliva in the mouth, it is produced, and the food when we are eating, that is mixed, the saliva is mixed and it becomes wet, and now it can be break into smaller pieces easily. Yes children? Okay. The tongue helps in mixing the food with saliva, and it also pushes the chewed food towards the food pipe, and the stomach walls make squeezing and relaxing movements. These movements help to mix the food with the stomach juice. The stomach juice helps to break down the food. From the stomach, the food goes into the small intestine. Squeezing and relaxing means how children, like a stress ball. If you do like this, it squeezes and it becomes the movement of the stomach. Okay children? The liver produces bile juice and it helps in the digestion of food in the small intestine. The bile juice, it mixes with the food and it helps us to break the food. Okay children? Children, your homework is learn and write page number 2 is short answer question from workbook in homework. You have to write the homework children, okay? Okay children? Take your textbook children, page number 5, lesson number 2, digestive system. Let us learn about digestion and the digestive system, the process of digestion, the importance of the digestive system, hunger and famine. Think children. Your mother tells you to chew your food before swallowing it. Do you know why? Remembering. We do a lot of work throughout the day. We need energy to work. From where do we get this energy? This energy comes from the food we eat. Food contains proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Our body cannot absorb them directly, so they are broken down into smaller parts. The process of breaking down food into smaller parts that can be absorbed into the bloodstream is called digestion. The organ system in our body that helps in breaking down the food is called the digestive system. When the food is broken down, we get energy to do many things. Turn the page children. Okay. Look at the picture of the digestive system. The different parts of the digestive system are mouth. We put food in our mouth. Digestion starts here with the help of the teeth and tongue. Food pipe. It is a long tube that connects the mouth with the stomach. Liver. It is the largest and heaviest organ in the body. It is reddish brown. Stomach. It is a stretchy bag-like organ which the stomach is empty. It is about the size of a tennis ball. After a big meal, it expands almost to the size of a football. Large intestine. The large intestine is also like a tube. It is 5 feet long. It is called the larger intestine because it is wider than the small intestine. Small intestine. It is a long narrow tube. It is 22 feet long. Anus. It is the opening at the end of the digestive system. Understanding part. Digestion starts in the mouth. We chew the food with our teeth. We have different types of teeth to chew the food and break it into pieces. The sharp teeth in the front help us to bite and cut the food into smaller pieces. The back teeth are flat and help to grind the food into a paste. Saliva mixes with the food. Saliva is produced inside our mouth. It mixes with the food and makes the food soft and wet. Teeth can now easily break down this wet food into smaller pieces. The tongue helps in mixing the food with the saliva. It also pushes the chewed food towards the food pipe. The food pipe moves the food from the back of our throat to our stomach. Stomach walls make squeezing and relaxing movements. These movements help to mix the food with the stomach juices. The stomach juices help to break down the food. From the stomach, the food goes into the small intestine. The liver produces bile juice. It helps in the digestion of food. In the small intestine, the bile juice mixes with the food and break it down further. The walls of small intestine absorb all the useful parts of the food.